Hi everyone, Amy here at Waters Garden Center, here to talk to you about one of my favorite evergreen trees. This is an Austrian pine. Austrian pines do very, very well in Prescott and the surrounding areas. That's one of the reasons I love them so much. They're kind of bulletproof. They're the fastest growing of the pine trees. They can do almost 2 feet a year after they've been established in the ground. And they also have this just gorgeous color, beautiful dark green, kind of conical habit. They are going to be a large shade tree. And again, of course, they're evergreen. So these guys are going to eventually get to be 35, 40 feet tall, 25 feet wide. They're an excellent windbreak for those of you guys out in Chino, Williamson Valley that really need help with that wind. Austrian pines are an excellent choice. And if you like what you saw here, please like and subscribe.